You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie.
Do you have a little bunny? Is she really, really funny? Do you catch her in her flop and then scratch her up on top? Do you boop her in her snoot? Is she cute in her sploot? Do you have a little bunny?
I'm mad at Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20-something, I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but
This is a bunno, also called a bun and occasionally called a wabbit, but what's most important is to understand bunno anatomy. We start with the floppity loppities. Some bunnos have very droppy floppity loppities. Others have not so floppity loppities. Then there's the blinkers and the boople snoot, which is also called the wiggle sniffer.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie.
Purida bim patra maya lulai dina kina saki.
Rabbit. You got a beautiful chin. You got beautiful skin. Want me?
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Maman, j'ai faim. Manger, moi j'aime ça manger ce que maman a préparé. Du spaghetti au chocolat, du lait que je bois avec. Ha, how you like that?
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave on.
On my mama, on my hood, I look fly, yeah, I look good. Touch my swag, this shit good.
Sweet boo up, that I love, to I tell, I want to sing your
Strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want your belly and that summer feeling. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place. Yeah. How you keep staying the same.
김난중, 김석지, 민규.
Bun, and occasionally called a wabbit. But what's most important is to understand bunno anatomy. We start with the floppity loppities. Some bunnos have very droppy floppity loppities. Others have not so floppity loppities. Then there's the blinkers and the boople snoot, which is also called the wiggle sniffer. Move.
Hi guys, are you hungry? My mom made food. Ooh. Ah.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep. I don't wanna.
Made so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy.
Если я напьюсь, сегодня будет на-на-на-на-на-на. Если я напьюсь, у меня выходной. You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye.